Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find the GCD of two numbers using recursion. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, this line defines a function named GCD that takes two arguments a and b, which represent the two numbers for which we want to find the greatest common divisor. Now in the next line, this is a docstring providing a description of the function. It explains what the function does. Now in the next line here, this checks if b is equals to 0. The condition b is equals to 0 is the base case for the recursion. If b is 0, the recursion stops and a is returned as the greatest common divisor because any number divided by itself leaves no remainder. Now in the next line, if b is 0, the function returns the value of a, which is the greatest common divisor of two numbers. And in the else part here, this block is executed if b is not 0. It means the GCD hasn't been found yet. Now in the next line, this is the recursive step. Here the function calls itself with two new arguments, b the smaller number and the remainder when a is divided by b. This step reduces the size of the problem, eventually reaching the base case where b is equals 0. Now in the next line, here the program prompts user to enter the first number, and in the other next line, the program prompts the user to enter the second number. Here input captures the user's input as a string and int converts the string input to an integer, which is then stored in variable num1 and num2. Now in the next line here, the GCD function is called with num1 and num2 as arguments. The result of the recursive computation is stored in the variable result. Here in the last line, the statement prints the GCD of two input numbers using fstring, and the placeholders num1, num2 and result are dynamically replaced with their respective values. So let's check this program. As we need to enter two integers, I am entering 42 and 45. Hence, the greatest common divisor of 42 and 45 is 3. So, thanks for watching this video.